Welcome to this special edition of Frequency Matters, the RF and Microwave Update series. I'm Pat Hindle. I'm here with my co-host Gary Lerude and special guest Man Shum, Vice President of Test and Measurement at Mini Circuits. Welcome, Man.
Thank you.
Mini Circuits has greatly expanded its test solutions over the last couple of years. What do you offer customers now in this area?
Well, excellent question. First of all, thank you for having me here today. Mini Circuits has been investing for the last 10 years since Test Solutions Department existed. And now we offer a wide range of products in signal switching, signal routing, level control, power detection, signal generation, amplification, and a wide range of accessories to support all those functionalities. And also, we can put all these functionalities together to form a complete test solutions for many applications such as chipset burn-in, live test or HTOL test, mobile device validation test, mesh network radio testing, and many, many more. However, there are three key directions or three key vectors in our product development efforts that we focus on. One, expanding the frequency range, currently up to 86 gigahertz. Expanding the power output range in our high power amplifier series, going towards 200 watts and higher and up to the X band. And also one very important aspect is flexible functionality. By that we mean we can supply you with a full turnkey solution, or we can supply you with the same components or ingredients that we use as a DIY kits to allow you to build some maybe smaller structure, a bit simpler structure that will fit your own budget. So we actually have everything that you will want from our test solutions department.
Tell us some about your newest additions to the Test Solutions product line.
It's going to be difficult because Mini Circuits has been continuing its tradition like over the last 50 years, pushing out hundreds of products every year. So everything, we have something new catalog, new upload. 2 months later, it's going to be old. But let me summarize it. At least for this year, there are several exciting product lines, not just product lines. Low noise amplifiers, best in this class, covering the 5G bands up to 26 to 43.5 gigahertz range. Waveguide filters, up to 86 gigahertz, coaxial power splitter, ultra low noise, low loss, very super fine amplitude and phase imbalance, up to 65 gigahertz. On the control side, mechanical switches up to 50 gigahertz, programmable attenuators also up to 50 gigahertz. With all these new ingredients, it allows test solution products to offer another level of ability to cover new range of applications far beyond the traditional 18 and 26 gigahertz markets that we have been very famous for. Now, to support this goal, Mini Circuits has also invested heavily to open up 2 R&D centers in 2020. One of them is located in Rhode Island, specializing in HPA development, with the PA output power to 200 watts and more, up to the 10 gigahertz range. Another one is closer to home in Deer Park, New York. This is a center that we focus in microelectronics assembly in a world-class clean room environment. It is in addition to our already existing large automated facility in Malaysia. So with this capability, we are developing millimeter wave circuits that can be used to produce millimeter wave amplifiers, solid state switches, digital step attenuators, power detectors, etc., to beyond 50 gigahertz, let's say 67 gigahertz.
What are the primary applications driving demand for your test solutions today?
Oh, I need a whole day to talk about this, but let me just focus on a few of them. Several key markets that we have been doing very successfully on is, one of them is telecommunications, such as with all the network operator, automated testing, in approval testing, and also in chipset industries for the live test or HTOL test that you all are very familiar with, mesh network radio testing, and many more. Another reason that drive people's customers' demand for our test solutions is we can offer from the simplest grade do-it-yourself level to a medium level complexity structure using our ZTM modular test solutions and a full turnkey complete rack solution such as what we have shown before. So we do have solutions that satisfies all budget levels. Now, there is a very unique advantage that's supplied by mini circuits. We can service the entire columns of customers because all the rack mount system that we built, they use the same standard components that all our customers have been buying for 50 years, trying to build their own solutions. And now we also service them by supplying the DIY kit that will allow them to just build the same structure that we built, but maybe with a little bit less complexity to satisfy their own complexity level.
So you talked about several options that customers have, the DIY kits and complete systems. How do you provide short response times to your customers when they ask for a test solution?
Excellent question, deserve excellent answers. Two key reasons, very important reason. In test solutions department, we are part of mini circuits. We built our rack mount structure using the same components that mini circuit has been manufacturing for 50 years, the same quality products. We simply have to go to the next door and sign a piece of paper and then get the product probably faster than you can when you order online. So the important thing is we have the component sales channel that drive the demand. So we don't really have to worry about the availability of the components. But that makes us very strong. Okay, whereas many other suppliers, they may have to go and acquire some other hardware somewhere. So we have this unique advantage. And on top of that, our design is really built on a very modular approach. So we can use and reuse same or very similar building block to create designs from one to another and very, very quickly. And sometimes we have been shipping a lot of these modular test systems in a matter of 1 to 2 weeks. And sure, there are always some requirements that require some other different type of designs, and opportunities do exist, but by and large, we have been fulfilling the big percentage of our application today just with our standard building blocks approach. That's why we're pretty well known for quick turnaround and low cost.
So what are your future plans for the Test Solutions product line?
Well, if you give me a timeline, you say for the next 12 months, okay, then we'll tell you the following plans. We have a lot of plans for even up to the next 36 months. So you're going to see we have new products rolling out in the next 12 months, ranging from millimeter wave amplifiers, solid state switches, digital step attenuators, power detectors to 67 gigahertz, like we have mentioned before. Another one exciting one is very low cost signal generators to support the 5G testing use, models covering dedicated frequency bands up to 43 gigahertz will be available. And another something new that we are doing on frequency extender products with some up-down converter scheme that will allow customer to expand the capability of the current 8 gigahertz VNA to higher frequency, the dedicated 5G bands in the 24 to 43 gigahertz range. So this is something that we have been working with some other industry partners and customers. So we are extremely excited that we will be pushing out these products in the next 12 months.
Well, G-Man, thanks to you and to Mini Circuits for sharing the company's capabilities in test solutions. Your wide range of capabilities and ability to quickly customize these test solutions is really impressive and no doubt very well received by your customers. Thanks for joining us.